it's a big day. We just got a new pair of boxes from Appalachian Baby and Design, thanks to Toby at Knit One Crochet 2 in Pennington. And let's see what's in the box. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are huge. Look at the 2 boxes. Oh, look what's in each box. Oh, look at this. It is, a little dishcloth kit with just tons of yarn and patterns. Oh my God, these people, thank you so much. Organic cotton. Oh, you gotta love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Cannot wait to share these with our friends around the state. Unboxing from Cascade Yarn. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Myra sent it up. Big box. Hold on. Oh my God, I'm gonna cut my fingers off. I know. I'm a little bit. There we go. Thanks. Hold on. Hold on. It's not being cooperative. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this. I'm just going to pull it all out. We have Alicia Superwash. These are for the stores that carry Cascade. So there's going to be a few different stores on the Wool Walk that will have these huge giveaways. Oh, look at that. Cascade 220 Merino. Huge box of that. I don't know how we're going to distribute these. There's so much. Oh my God, look at the size of these. Oh, this is awesome. Look at that. More colors of Elysian. And more colors of Elysian. Oh my God. Cascade Yarns, thank you so much for your generosity for the Wool Walk. That was really nice.
Guess what arrived today? And just in time for Wool Walk. One of our favorite little notions. Katrinkles swag.